Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called StoryChief, and this is the best all-in-one content marketing platform. So before we dive in, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on the platform. Coming back to the platform, you can see we have various features and options for marketing specifically. And first of all, dashboard is going to be giving you a performance overview, how your social media apps are doing and how your social campaigns are doing. So if you simply head over to your connect Google search console, you can connect it with your console and Google Ads system to provide the analysis, and it will be highlighted in here as you can see in the snapshots and the screenshots as well. It is going to be showing you the heat maps, the graph, pie charts, and all of those diagrams to in detail study about the platforms and how they are performing. If I simply zoom in a bit, you will be able to see on the left side of our screen we have this organic traffic that is going to be highlighting your organic traffic about your campaigns. We have our position breakdown, so this is basically using this graph. Marketers can track and analyze keyword performance over time, offering a visual representation of how keywords or pages are distributed across different positions. So you got the point right. Finally, we have this improvement opportunities that will be highlighting what needs to be fixed and what can be improved. Various other features and social media insights are available as well. So a lot to offer for marketing platform. Make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get extended free trial. As well, you can get exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.